In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Etsy custom order feature. So let's just get straight into the video. In order to go ahead and enable custom requests, however, as a seller, you'll need to go ahead and head into Shop Manager, into settings, and then have custom order request and select enabled. But as a buyer, what you want to do is simply go ahead and select a product. So for example, let's just say this one. I'm not sure if they actually have the custom order available here, but when they do, all you need to do is simply go ahead and select the request custom order button, describe exactly what you are looking for, including any specific details or deadlines. And once the seller creates the item, they will send you a link to private listing. Add this item to your cart and check out as normal. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.